Welcome everyone. Today we'll be exploring OmniStudio, a powerful set of tools built for creating industry-specific applications on the Salesforce platform. Throughout this session, we'll explore its architecture and key components involved. Alright, so let's start with the core features of OmniStudio. OmniStudio is a low-code platform, meaning most of the development work can be done by using just clicks. This is a huge advantage when it comes to agility and time to market. OmniStudio features an intuitive drag and drop interface. It also includes pre-built and customizable UI components like forms and data tables and etc. OmniStudio enables the development of guided and branded user experience through the use of LWC. OmniStudio also allows for seamless data integration, both within Salesforce and with external systems. It can also automate end-to-end processes across the Salesforce ecosystem, including Einstein AI, MuleSoft, and so on. OmniStudio is structured into three main layers: digital experience, service management, and developer experience. Each of these layers serves a specific function, from building a user interfaces to managing data services and supporting developers with tools for deployment and version control. The digital experience layer focuses on the front-end user interaction. It leverages Lightning Web Components for performance and responsiveness. The key components here are FlexCards and OmniScripts. In the service management layer, it is responsible for handling and processing data. So integration procedures and data mappers are the primary tools here. They connect Salesforce to external systems, transform and move data, and also support backend logic without requiring any custom code. The developer experience layer provides tools for managing the development lifecycle. Tools like IDX Build and IDX Workbench support efficient deployment and help maintain consistency across all the Salesforce environments. I'll now give a quick overview of all the components involved, starting with the digital experience layer, where we have FlexCards. So FlexCards are lightweight UI components built using LWC model. They are used to present summarized information at a glance, and it offer actionable elements like buttons or links. When needed, they can expand to reveal more detailed data. FlexCards retrieve the data from defined sources and display it in containers called cards. These are especially useful for dashboards and summaries. Let's take an example where we want to display a summarized view of customer's profile that has key details like name, account status, and recent activities, with buttons for quick actions like updating information or opening a support case, and all these can be done in a single place using FlexCards. The other component under digital experience layer is OmniScripts. OmniScripts allows us to design structured step-by-step business processes using a no-code interface. They are entirely declarative scripting tool, meaning we can create them just using clicks. OmniScripts are perfect for creating guided user flows like onboarding processes or service requests, where the user is led through a series of dynamic questions and forms tailored to their inputs. They improve user experience while keeping the logic maintainable and reusable. Then under service management, first we have data mappers. Data mappers are responsible for editing, transforming, and updating data in Salesforce. They can be used to provide data to various components like OmniScripts, FlexCards, integration procedures, and even Apex classes. Data mapper type includes turbo extract, transform, and load. So these types gives the developers the flexibility to meet different performance and business requirements. For example, when we want to map the input from a lead generation form to the correct Salesforce feeds, we can use the transform data mapper to ensure that the data is clean, formatted, and ready for processing. Next up is the integration procedures. So OmniStudio integration procedures are declarative server-side processes in Salesforce that allow users to perform multiple actions such as retrieving, transforming, and updating data or calling external systems all within a single server call. Integration procedures can connect to Salesforce data external systems through REST APIs or custom Apex logic, making them highly versatile for complex data operations. They are especially useful for performing background tasks or batch operations that does not require any user interaction. Let's take a scenario where we need a series of backend actions that includes fetching data from both Salesforce and an external policy management system, and then combine these results and return a unified view to a front-end component like a FlexCard. So all this is possible in a single server call when we use integration procedures. Finally, coming to the developer experience component, it focuses on two key tools for developers. First is IDX Workbench, which is a desktop app for migrating data packs and metadata between orgs. It supports Git integration and allows developer to manage version control. On the other hand, we have IDX Build tool, which is a CLI tool with the same functions but better suited for automation and CI/CD pipelines. Finally, we have something called OmniOut. So OmniOut allows OmniScripts and FlexCards to be deployed outside of Salesforce on third-party websites or content management systems or CMS platforms, while still maintaining the connection to Salesforce. This is powerful for embedding Salesforce-powered experiences into external portals. That wraps up our introduction to OmniStudio. So in this video, we cover the platform structure, its powerful low-code capabilities, and its key components. We'll be releasing more videos soon that will dive deeper into each of these components with real use cases and hands-on demos to help you get the most out of OmniStudio. So please stay tuned.